So in this video, we will learn how to create a cross-tabulation, which means we consider two qualitative data. So we use the same example as we used before to create a simple tabulation. So that is about the age and the gender. So the age 1, if the age input is 1, which means the person is until 30. If it is 2, the person is from 30 to 60. So if it is 3, which means the person is over 60. And if the person is a male, the gender input will be 1. If the person is female, the gender observation should be 2. So how can we create the cross-tabulation? First, click the Insert tab. And on the Insert tab, we have the pivot option, pivot table option. So select pivot table. Now you should figure out the range. So where is your data? Since we consider both column, the age category and the gender, so you need to have the A1 to B51. So in the previous example, we have already know we have totally 50 observations. So for the 50 observation, we include two variables. One is age, another is gender. So you will choose from A1 to B51, or you can just directly choose the data. And then select New Worksheet and click OK. So now you will find we have a new spreadsheet created, sheet 7. So you should be familiar with the pivot table field list. Compared with the simple tabulation. Now here in this area we have two variables, age, cat, and the gender. Before we only have a gender. So what should we do? First, you still need to select one variable and hold it and drag it to either column or label. It depends on you. So let's say we drag the age category to the columns. Now you can look at here. On the left-hand side, we have the column labels 1 and 2. So we know the column is for the age, so we can rename it to age. Now, we still haven't considered about the gender, so you select gender and hold it and drag it to the row labels. Now you can change the name for the row label to gender. Look at the table here. We didn't find any input value here. The reason is because we haven't choose anything to put in the value area here. So which one should we choose? Or we should choose both? So the question is, you can choose either one of them, but you cannot choose both of them. So let's say we choose the age. So you choose it, hold it, and drag into the value. So you're almost done. You cannot choose both. You cannot drag both of them to the values. You only can choose either one of them. Now you can look at here. The grand total is 95. As I mentioned before, we only have 50 observations. What should we do here? So if you remember what I said in the simple tabulation video, you will know those numbers are the summation of all the values. What we need to do is just count the value. So you can select one of the cell, right-click your mouse. And here we have the option called Summarize a value by. So it should be by count, not by sum. So select count. So now you can see the grand total here is 50. So that is what we want. So we totally have 50 observations. So here, this table is what we want. It's the contingency table or cross-tabulation for gender and age.